Hello, very good evening, guys. Welcome to the Vedantu Commerce. That's me, Aditya Arya, Master Teacher of Mathematics and Statistics. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, in this session, we are going to do the revision of continuity. Now, we will start the revision of calculus. And this is a very important chapter. And every chapter in the calculus is very important. Why? Because in the term one, it contributes 17 marks, half of the paper approximately. Is dependent upon your calculus mastery. So let's start doing revision. And the interesting thing is, the theoretical part is very less. Guys, if you need the help of Vedantu more, you can enroll on the crash course, and you will get better results in the crash course. Everything will be taken care from the questions, assignment, test, ranking, analysis, notes, everything. So you can join this crash course. This crash course is worth of rupees 10,000, but after 55% off, if you will enroll now, you will get a 55% off, and this will cost you 4500 rupees. So you can enroll with the given link in the description box and use the code ADAPRO if you need the 10% off. Session को start करते हैं. Start करने से पहले hit the like button if you love to come over here and share this video with your friends and subscribe if you are new over here. चलिए पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं. इस पूरे चैप्टर के अंदर एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट है LHL इक्वल टू RHL इक्वल्स टू FA if the function is continuous at x equals to a. एंड अब यहां पर हम चेक करेंगे किस तरीके से हमें क्वेश्चन लगाना होता है. तो वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फंक्शन एफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू कॉट एक्स इज डिसकंटीन्यूअस ऑन द सेट. अब एक बात को समझिए, you will see this particular thing everywhere. If a function is discontinuous, you will see zero in the denominator. If you will found zero in the denominator, that means function is discontinuous. For an example, cot x is cos upon sine. Sine is zero at the multiple of pi. Check out the option number A. A is saying a set of n pi means all the multiples of pi. Now you know the reason why cot x is discontinuous on the set n pi, because denominator is 0 and the multiple of pi. I hope it's clear. Now, second thing is 4 minus x square upon 4x minus x cube. For the same reason, you will find the discontinuity over here. Check out the denominator where it will be 0. Take x common. If you will take x common, you will find the denominator x into, check it over here, 4x minus x cube is equal to 0. Where? Wherever it is 0, it is going to be discontinuous. Take x common, x into 4 minus x square, a square minus b square. So x into 2 plus x, 2 minus x equal to 0. Now this can be 0, this can be 0, this can be 0. So x equal to 0, minus 2 and 2. At these 3 points, function will be discontinuous. So answer is, number of discontinuity is at exactly 3 points. Next question. fx equals to cos of gif x, x greater than equal to 0 के लिए. And mod of x plus a when x less than 0. Now the question is, if the limit exists, it's written over here, if limit exists when x tends to 0. From the left hand side, the function is x less than 0. From the left hand side, the function is mod of x plus a. If you'll put 0 over here, 0 mod plus a is a. Now let's talk to the RHL. Let's come to the RHL. In the RHL part, that means your 0 is 0.001. X is greater than 0. That means the GIF of a number which is just greater than 0 is 0. So mod of GIF of x when x tends to 0, from the right hand side it's 0. So cos 0 is 1. This is 1, this is a, they have to be equal. Limit exists, so 1 is equals to a. I hope it is clear. Next question. The function sine 1 upon x when x not equal to 0 and 0 when x equal to 0. If you will put 0 over here, it's sine 1 upon 0. Though the value will be from minus 1 to 1, but inside the angle is very fluctuating. So you will say it is an oscillating discontinuity. It's an oscillating discontinuity. Basically, the function does not occupy any specific value at x equal to 0. It's oscillating frequently. Oscillating का मतलब है बार बार fluctuate करना बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा awkward question लग सकता है आपको because oscillating word is new for you people. The number of points at which the function fx equals to 1 upon x minus the gif x is not continuous, where denominator is again 0. Same concept, x minus this is 0. अब ये कब 0 बन सकता है? Because this is an integer. If this is an integer for sure, now integer can only be become, now x minus integer is 0. When x is equal to integer. So when x will be an integer, that means for all the integer values, this will become 0 for 2, for 3, for 4, for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on, so on, so on. So number of points of discontinuity are infinite. Every integer will, at every integer you will be having a discontinuity. Next question. Now, at x equal to 0, we will check whether it's continuous or not. बहुत simple सी चीज है यार, हमेशा ध्यान रखना, x less than 0 will give the LHL value. Put 0 over here, it will give the LHL. LHL is equals to 1. At exactly FA, it's 3. RHL, x greater than 0, because we are checking at x equal to 0. So we will look for the function which is greater than 0 for RHL. Put 0 over here, 0 square is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. RHL is 3, FA is 3. LHL is 1. So it is, you can say though the function is discontinuous, but you can say right continuous. Because RHL is matching with the FA. That's why. So it is not left continuous, it is not continuous. Definitely it's not continuous, it is right continuous, you will say. So when we use a term like right continuous, we are saying the other part is not continuous. Okay? Next question. Now, mod of sin x is continuous for all x. Now, listen carefully. This is a very important question. Sin x is continuous because sin x and cos x are two trigonometric functions which are continuous, and no other trigonometric function is continuous in the whole real number line. Modulus function, x is a polynomial function, and always remember, मॉडुलस ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन इज आल्सो कॉन्टिन्यूअस, और इसको और अच्छा बताता हूं, मॉडुलस ऑफ अ कॉन्टिन्यूअस फंक्शन इज आल्सो कॉन्टिन्यूअस. मॉडुलस ऑफ अ कॉन्टिन्यूअस फंक्शन इज आल्सो कॉन्टिन्यूअस. आई बात समझ में? अब ये इसका रीजन, ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, बट इसका रीजन कैसे है? It's a composite function. So basically let's call it f, let's call it g. g of f मतलब जब आप x को sin x से रिप्लेस करोगे, this is continuous, this is continuous. जब आप x को sin x से रिप्लेस करोगे तो आपको ये मिलेगा. स्टेटमेंट सिंपल सा ये है, मॉडुलस ऑफ ए continuous function is continuous. Sin x is continuous and mod of x is continuous, so mod of sin x is also continuous. So A is the correct explanation of this. So option number A is correct. Now next question. X square plus 3x minus 10 upon x minus 2 for x not equal to 2. And for x equal to 2, it's k. If which is continuous at x equal to 2. Always remember, when you are having 0 in the denominator and it is said the function is continuous, that means that 0 in the denominator is going to be cancelled. That means 0 is because of x minus 2. So x minus 2 is going to be cancelled with the numerator. That means numerator is going to be have a factor x minus 2. So x square plus 3x minus 10. If you will factorize it, it will come to x plus 5 into x minus 2 upon x minus 2. Cancel, cancel, x plus 5. Now x plus 5 when x tends to 2 is 7. So k must be equals to 7 because at x equal to 2 it's k. So k equals to 7. So option number A, assertion is wrong. If assertion is wrong, that means the option number D is correct. Okay, and you will see the reason. Fx is continuous at x equals to A if limit exists and is equals to Fa. LHL equal to RHL equal to Fa. Basic condition. Now, case study. In the case study, let's read it. If a real valued function is finitely derivable at any point in its domain, it is necessarily continuous at that point. But its converse need not to be true. Example, every polynomial constant functions are both continuous as well as differentiable, and inverse trigonometric function are continuous and differentiable in its domain, etc. ठीक है, सिर्फ पुरानी नॉलेज जो हम पढ़ते हैं हमें उससे मतलब नहीं. नाउ लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन बिकॉज वी हैवंट फाउंड एनी यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन in the paragraph. So we move to the question. Now question is exactly same. Fx equal to 3x and 0. Fx equal to 3x for x less than equal to 0 and 0 for x greater than 0. At x equal to 0, is it continuous or not? आप क्या करोगे? LHL is 3x, you will put 0, it's 0. LHL is 0. F0 function key value at x equal to 0 is again 3x, which is 0. And RHL is given 0. LHL equal to RHL equal to FA means function is continuous. I hope it's clear. It's a direct LHL equal to RH equal to FA. That's all. Nothing more needed. Now, अभी अभी देखा है cos function and sine functions are only trigonometric function which are continuous in the whole real number line. Cos is continuous. Modulus of a continuous function is always continuous. So option number B, C, D wrong because option number A is correct. It's continuous, not just x equals to pi of 4. It's continuous everywhere. I repeat, modulus of a continuous function is always continuous but not differentiable at a one point, at specific point. ठीक है? तो आप ये लंबा डिस्कशन भी कर सकते हो, आप डायरेक्टली भी बोल सकते हो इस बात को. तो इट्स बेटर कि हम लोग डायरेक्टली सीखें. So this is all guys for the session. I hope you understand the things in the continuity, how easy this chapter is. At 11 a.m. daily I release a video for the revision of your chapters. At 3:30 p.m. I release I do come live. Now guys, if you are doing preparation, sincerely, you are definitely going to face the problems. One is about the doubts. You are having the doubts. Do you have someone who can solve your doubts instantly? If not, Vedantu will help you over here. You do not have to waste your time in asking here and there, और बहुत ज़्यादा आप search भी कर लेते हो कभी-कभी. But the thing is, you might get the solution. But the thing is, you will end up wasting more time. Conceptual clarity, you have to think over this, because if you are not having the conceptual clarity, you will not be able to do questions. And then to make sure that you are having the conceptual clarity, you have to do question, assignment, quizzes, a lot of practice basically. Apart from this, you have to be in the balance of the time, because every chapter needed to be done on time. And let's suppose if still if you are lagging, there must be some solution. So we will work on it. And after revision, after doing one complete study of a chapter, you need to revise, because if you will not revise, it will come to 0. And Vedantu here comes the solution of all the problems of every student through the live and interactive class. Live, you can learn from anywhere at any time. And interactive, we can have the same level of interaction as an offline through the uncamming and unmuting. So we will cover the entire syllabus through concept discussion and lots of quizzes and examples. Apart from this, after the lecture, or during the lecture, we are having a discussion. Whatever the discussion you will be having, you will be getting the notes of it. And if during the session you are having the doubt, you can solve your doubts instantly with a faculty who is connecting with you one to one. So there will be two faculties for every person. One will be common for you, all of you, and one will be kind of one to one interaction for you. So you will make sure that no doubts will remain after the lecture, during the lecture. Okay. Let's suppose after the lecture you are having the doubts, so you can use doubt application where you can solve all your doubts instantly. After every lecture, you will be having assignments which you can solve and you can practice, and make sure the topic is very strong. Every week we are having a test, so you can make sure through the proper analysis of the test that how much improvement do you guys needed. By chance you are lagging behind because of some reason that you have not started properly, or you have skipped some lectures, so need not to worry. There are thousands of micro courses which runs parallelly with your long-term enrollment program. So during the long-term enrollment program and during this time period, you can learn parallelly the other chapters. So you can revise also and you can relearn, or you can basically learn for the very first time. It's completely free for all those who will enroll for the long term. Guys, let's talk about the pricing. So the light and classic, they are exactly same except just one parameter. They are exactly same in terms of live interactive online classes. They are same with respect to test series analysis, assignment, quizzes, notes, doubt solving during the class. So where they differ? They differ on the very strong point, that is doubt solving on mobile application. So after the lecture, if you do not want to waste your time, you should go for the classic. Okay. So light and classic two plans. Now light, Vedantu Pro Lite is of cost rupees 37,000 approximately, and Vedantu Pro Classic is approximately of 43,000. but in the light you are having 49% discount, in the classic you are having 30% discount. If you want extra 10% off, you can have it by applying the code ADAPRO. So the course which was of 37,000 will cost you 18,999, but if you will apply the code ADAPRO, it will cost you rupees 17,000. So basically 2,000 ka off. The same goes with the classic. In the classic, it's without applying the code ADAPRO after the discount, it costs you rupees 30,999. But अगर आपको extra discount चाहिए तो आप apply करोगे code ADAPRO and this will give you another 2,000 rupees off. So 17,899 is the final price. These are the list of the toppers, guys. You can make sure that you will be in this toppers list. And for this, you just need to explore the platform through the link which is given in the description box. आप इसको explore करो आराम से. And when you are enrolling, make sure that you are applying the code ADAPRO because this code will give you 10% off. आज के लिए इतना ही. फिर मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में. जाने से पहले join the Telegram group and make sure that you hit the like button. Even odd number of times. Let's talk in the terms of mathematics. Odd number of times and share this video with your friends and subscribe if you are new. फिर मिलते हैं अगली क्लास के अंदर.